Welcome back to another cleanup. We are back in the riverbed here to pick up as much trash as possible. And our first item today is an old, I think it's a Red Bull, yes, a Red Bull can. There's another piece from the farming activity along the river. Our most common find, and there's more back there. There it is. Pretty broken down already. The plastic sheet hunt continues. Here's another one, this time yellow. So first, here's a hard plastic fragment and an orange piece of plastic sheet. We're changing back to the classic blue color. Oh look, glove. I'm already stocked up, but better safe than sorry. Ouch, that's barbed wire right there. Also from the farming activity here. Got to be careful. Here's another piece of plywood. We're taking that as well because it's not natural. There's a lot of glue inside here that's not supposed to be here, but it's not fitting in the bag, so we're carrying it. And here's another piece. Looks like window blinds.
Piece of window blind.
Yeah. Oh no, we're not getting this out here. Another carpet. It's grown into the roots here. Here's more plastic sheet. That's also very much stuck here in the dirt. That's unfortunate, but it happens sometimes. But here's another piece we can remove.
And here's our next find. Some kind of plastic roofing material or something like that.
Yeah, and I think I found the source. Right up there. No, it's a different kind. That's also a metal roof. And there's
Oh yeah.
a wheel cap. BMW wheel cap right there. Real trash hotspot, and a pipe. There's also a pipe back there. A lot of stuff here.
Opala.
Definitely metal.
Yep. Metal. Roofing stuff.
All right. First one's out. Now it's up to the wheel cap. Brand new BMW wheel cap. This was the hardest extraction, but here it is, a plastic pipe. Almost missed this piece. An old metal bracket, something like that. Bag is getting quite heavy, right?
Yes.
There's another one. Another boring fragment. And another weirdly bent metal piece. What that could have been, I have no clue. But we're taking it. So last time I found a plastic plate, a single-use one. I think now I found a metal one. That could be the lid.
I think it's the lid.
It's the lid, right? Yeah, yeah. What's up with all these pipes? Here's another one. Another plastic pipe. If you're wondering, this is an abandoned railroad bridge. Very old. Another water pipe. We are on top of the bridge now, and of course there's trash. I thought maybe there's none, but it's come on now. It's stuck here in the plant. Some cans, you found one too. Yeah, beer cans, Coke. Ryan, what did you find there?
Condom package.
Oh yeah, someone was having fun up here. And this is not the first time actually. On another abandoned railroad bridge, same track, 20 kilometers further south, I also found condom wrappers. So apparently that's a thing. A relic from the past, a mask. Wire, plastic sheet, the lid of an aluminium can, more plywood, and oh yes, more plastic sheet fragments. There we go. So Brian's working on another plastic sheet right there. Meanwhile, I found a shotgun shell, a beer bottle, another plastic hook from the fence right there, some kind of rubber, and what's that? Another plastic. So yeah. Oh, and there's an aluminium can and the sole of a shoe. Yeah, just right here, so you can imagine how much trash here is, and we're not even filming everything. It all ends up here in our rivers. Brian just found the handle of a saw, and here's another plastic tube. One of my favorite finds. Wire mesh fence, but this time it's not actually grown into the roots or tangled up in some annoying way where you have to use your pliers. This time you can actually just grab it, but of course there are always the loose parts here. There's even more stuff, so yeah. Well, we just found another metal roof. This will be very annoying to carry all the way back, but we're taking it anyways. And yeah, with that shoe sole we are wrapping up. Our second bag is almost full and getting way too heavy. And yeah, we have a lot of stuff to carry back. The other two things are way back there, so yeah, we're wrapping up here and taking everything to the bridge a couple hundred meters upstream from here. Alright, we made it back to the bridge here. to the start, or not the start, but the finish point we were striving for. And originally we wanted to continue on our last mission, where we found a huge, enormous plastic sheet and cut it loose. But as you can see, there's water in the river, so I was right about the last few weeks to walk through there. We had heavy rainfall, so yeah, that was not possible. But we continued further downstream, where there were some dry areas, and yeah, we found a lot of trash, and we'll show you that right now. Our pile from the last cleanup hasn't been picked up yet, but should be done in a few days. Here it is, all lined up from our last two cleanups.